Volvo is working on an all-new version of its V40 to be built on the company's new Compact Modular Architecture platform, which also underpins the new XC40 crossover, and the chassis will reportedly accommodate diesel, gasoline and electric versions of the hatchback. The British website Auto Express reports that the Polestar 2 sedan will be the first electric car to be built on the CMA platform, during the second half of 2019. When the V40 arrives after that, it'll come with a choice of battery size and range, in plug-in hybrid and pure electric versions. For each electric car, we will typically have at least 2 different battery sizes on offer, Henrik Green, Volvo's head of R&D, told the website. The base variant will be more cost efficient, but with a slightly limited range, and then there will be a bigger option with a higher price, but more range and more power. The V40 isn't currently offered in the States, but Volvo has previously confirmed the car will come to the US market. The premium hatchback was last refreshed for the 2016 Geneva Motor Show, shown in the photos above. Auto Express reports that the engine lineup for the all-new V40 will include the 4-cylinder D3 and D4 diesels and the 3-cylinder T3 and 4-cylinder T4 and T5 gasoline engines. It'll also follow the XC40's lead in offering PHEV and battery electric versions, again with a choice of batteries.